How to clean your clothes anywhere. Just add water, cleaning liquid and clothes to the relevant water level marker. Now this is important. Press out the air, then roll the opening tightly 4 or 5 times, near the valve, before clipping the ends. Open the valve cap and squeeze firmly to release any residual air. Rub clothes against the internal washboard for between 30 seconds and 3 minutes. Tip out the dirty water and add fresh water. Close without expelling air and shake to rinse. Tip out the water, wring out clothes and hang to dry. The Scrubba wash bag. Now you can travel light and clean your clothes anywhere.